27.4 plus 7.1 equals? Answer is 34.5. 6.7 times 3 equals? Answer is 20.1. 48 divided by 7 equals? Answer is 6 or 6. 133 divided by 10 equals? Answer is 13 or 3. 164 divided by 11 equals? Answer is 14 or 10. Which decimal is greater? 6.77 or 13.50? Answer is 13.50. 71 times 5 equals? Answer is 355. Which decimal is greater? 4.49 or 16.13? Answer is 16.13. 17 times 13 equals? Answer is 221. 49 times 12 equals? Answer is 588. 54.3 minus 44.9 equals? Answer is 9.4. 30 times 15 equals? Answer is 450. Which decimal is greater? 12.86 or 19.32? Answer is 19.32. 69 times 2 equals? Answer is 138. 58 divided by 2 equals? Answer is 29. 73.0 minus 26.4 equals? Answer is 46.6. 47.2 plus 28.3 equals? Answer is 75.5. 87.5 divided by 5 equals? Answer is 17.5. 624 divided by 13 equals? Answer is 48. 18 times 30 equals? Answer is 540.